Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series, where we spotlight real-world strategies shaping the future of business operations. Today's focus: Henkel Adhesive Technologies, a global leader leveraging digital transformation to drive operational excellence. By embracing advanced analytics and the Internet of Things, Henkel revolutionized its manufacturing processes. The result? Reduced downtime, improved product quality, and optimized resource utilization across its production lines. This strategic integration of digital tools not only enhanced efficiency, but also reinforced Henkel's position as a pioneer in industrial innovation, setting new standards for smart manufacturing in the adhesive technologies sector. This case study delves into Henkel Adhesive Technologies' digital transformation in manufacturing. We'll explore their strategic initiatives, challenges faced, and the outcomes achieved, providing valuable insights for operations professionals. Henkel Adhesive Technologies, a $9.5 billion unit of Henkel AG & Co. Kommanditgesellschaft auf Aktien, operates in over 125 countries with 50,000 plus employees. It serves diverse sectors like automotive and aerospace with specialized adhesive solutions. Despite its innovation heritage, Henkel faces challenges from digital native competitors and evolving customer expectations. Henkel faced digital disruption challenges, including rising customer demands for speed and transparency, and competition from digital native firms. Traditional manufacturing processes lacked visibility, and data silos hindered cross-functional insights. Legacy systems struggled to adapt to Industry 4.0, necessitating a strategic response to maintain market leadership. The 3D framework revolutionizes operations by integrating Internet of Things sensor networks to capture real-time production metrics. Intuitive dashboards convert this data into actionable insights with customized key performance indicators. This empowers data-driven decisions, enhancing shop floor optimizations and strategic planning. The framework ensures technology aligns with strategic goals, not just for technology's sake. Over 10,000 Internet of Things sensors were installed across production lines to monitor key parameters like temperature and pressure. Localized edge computing units were implemented to process data at the source, minimizing latency. Operators were equipped with tablets and wearables, providing real-time data and alerts to facilitate immediate action and enhance operational efficiency. Henkel's unified data lake integrates production metrics, quality control, supply chain data, customer feedback, and market trends. This centralized repository connects isolated systems, fostering a cohesive ecosystem for cross-functional analysis. It enhances decision-making by providing comprehensive insights across the enterprise, supporting strategic initiatives and operational efficiency. Real-time dashboards provide a comprehensive view of operations. Executive dashboards display high-level key performance indicators for productivity, quality, and financial metrics globally. Plant manager views focus on facility-specific data, highlighting production efficiency and maintenance needs. Operator interfaces offer workstation-specific guidance, showing real-time process parameters and quality checks, ensuring standardized work instructions are followed. Henkel's digital ecosystem thrives through strategic partnerships with artificial intelligence and Internet of Things startups in Bengaluru and Pune, fostering innovation. Collaborations with Indian institutes of technology and global universities advance predictive maintenance algorithms. Joint labs with customers enhance product integration, while participation in Industry 4.0 groups ensures interoperability and best practices. Henkel's digital transformation emphasized cultural change, focusing on digital upskilling for over 5,000 manufacturing employees. Cross-functional innovation teams and data literacy programs were implemented across management levels. New roles like data scientists and Internet of Things engineers were introduced, and performance metrics were adjusted to reward data-driven decisions, ensuring a holistic approach to digital integration. Digital transformation initiatives led to a 22% productivity increase by optimizing processes and reducing downtime. Quality improved by 35% with real-time monitoring and predictive adjustments. Costs dropped 18% through resource optimization and predictive maintenance. Innovation speed increased by 40%, accelerating time to market for new adhesive products, showcasing significant business value. A specialty automotive adhesive line faced inconsistent curing times, causing quality issues. By implementing a multivariable predictive quality system using data like temperature and viscosity, curing performance was predicted before completion. This led to a 92% reduction in customer complaints, a 45% decrease in testing costs, and a 15% production capacity improvement. Operations leaders should prioritize business outcomes, establish an integrated data foundation, and invest in visualization and user experience. Building ecosystem partnerships and transforming culture and skills are crucial. Henkel's journey shows that digital transformation succeeds when driven by clear business objectives, integrating technology, processes, and people effectively. Advanced AI applications are evolving from predictive to prescriptive analytics, autonomously optimizing production in real time. Digital twins are expanding, enabling complete virtual replicas for scenario planning and virtual commissioning. Blockchain integration is enhancing supply chain transparency and material provenance verification through distributed ledger technology. We hope this case study offered valuable insights into digital transformation in manufacturing operations. Thank you for engaging with this case study from Skilled MBA. Email support@skilledmba.com. WhatsApp call C91 87553 0795. Visit us www.skilledmba.com. Modi Nagar, National Capital Region, India Skilled MBA, Journey to Success with Pride.